Good morning, everyone. I am attempting to make this plum chocolate cake. Okay, I have my melted butter. All my dry ingredients are in here. I have my sugar, flour, baking powder, baking soda. I have my cocoa powder. Since the other cake really flopped, I tossed it. And now I have to mix the dry ingredients or the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. That's a movie in the background. So anyways, this is my plum spread that I've held on for a while. This is actually my plum jam, not spread. So it has sugar in it, so I had to decrease on the sugar in the recipe. And then I have my walnuts, and who knows, maybe I'll put some, oh, and I got to put some coffee in it because it's got chocolate in it, and that's going to bring out the coffee. I'll show you the results after it's done. Alrighty.